Alright guys, so in today's video, I am scripting your guys' funny ideas again. This is now part 11, okay? We have some pretty good ideas this part though, so I'm really excited to make them. But anyways, let's go and get started with the video. Alright, so for the first one we got, idea. An elevator that closes whenever you try to walk into it. Alright, this is going to be really funny. I'm going to go ahead and make it right now. Alright, so I got my little elevator here, as you can see. And now we're going to go ahead and try walking into it, okay? Let's see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the game right now, and we have our beautiful elevator right there, okay? It's wide open. It looks pretty nice inside, right? But let's say you want to walk in, okay? Let's say you want to walk in. Watch what happens, alright? So you go and run. Come on, come on, come on. And it closes. So whenever you go close to it, it literally closes. So let's say, okay, let's back up a little. Okay, so as you can see, it's open again. There we go. Alright, so let's say I want to walk back in. Maybe I have to go slow. Okay, no, it's not slow. But see, whenever you walk away, it literally opens, and only when you're far away. Alright, let's say you want to try to cheat the system, okay? I'm going to try to walk around, okay? So as you can see, you can even see that back of the elevator right here. But let's say you want to walk around, okay? And come on, come on, come on. No, it just closes, dude. It's so annoying. But as you can see, that is the impossible elevator, I guess. Anyways, that's that. Next challenge. Alright, so for the next one we got, whenever you jump, something random falls out of the sky. Alright, I like that idea. We'll go ahead and try it right now. Alright, so as you can see, you're walking around in your game, and that freaking elevator's still open. Okay, but no. You're walking around in your game, okay, and you for some reason, you decide to jump. Alright, watch what happens, okay? So we go ahead and jump, and 2 pineapples and a piece of ice cream fell out of the sky. Pretty weird. But every time you jump, random stuff falls in the sky. So watch this, okay? I'm going to go ahead and just hold jump for a while. So as you can see, it is just raining random objects. There's a computer, there's like a can of tuna, there's a freaking office chair, there's plants, candy, pretty much everything you can want. So yeah, a pretty cool script. I'm not sure why you'd ever want this. Alright, next challenge. Also guys, before I keep going, I want to say one quick thing. 80% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel, which is literally insane. I promise you're missing out on so many good videos, so please subscribe. Anyways, let's keep going. Alright, next. Whenever you insult gravity, you start floating. Alright, so I made it so every time you type it, actually increases or decreases gravity even more, okay? So let's go ahead and do I hate gravity, okay? Because I hate gravity. Alright, so then let's see what happens. Okay, nothing happens, right? But let's see what happens when I jump. Oh, wait. Stuff's falling out of the sky, but it's whatever. Alright, so as you can see, we jumped a little higher, right? The gravity's a little lower, so we'll go and try it again. And as you can see, even the stuff in the sky is actually falling slower. We'll try it again. And look how high we're going. That's how it's like we're on the moon, literally, with this gravity. Okay, we're going to try it again. And, uh-oh. No, I broke the game. No, I think the gravity's below 0. I can't stop going up. Well, that's what happens when you hate gravity, guys. You better not hate gravity, all right? Gravity's good. Okay, anyways, next challenge. All right, the next challenge, someone said idea. Whenever you say I scripted your funny ideas, fans come running at you and telling you their ideas, okay? That's kind of funny. It has 1,000 likes, so I'll go ahead and make it real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and say I scripted your funny ideas, and idea. When you walk into a room, it smells like cheese. Idea. Yo, there's so many. They're squishing me. Idea. If you jump, you get killed by a bus. Idea. If you say hello, the sky turns into hot dogs. You know, these are some great ideas. I actually got them from you guys, so thank you. But anyways, great ideas, guys. Thank you. All right, next challenge. Whenever you say I'm fine, you take damage and lose a limb. Okay, this is going to be funny. I want to make that. All right, so right here, let's go ahead and type I'm fine. So, you know, let's say you're having a horrible day. Someone asks you, how are you doing? Okay, and you're just like, I'm fine, but you're not really fine. You know what I mean? So this is what happens when you type I'm fine, okay? Let's go ahead and see, and okay, we lost a limb. That sucks. We're missing our arm. Is I don't know what our hand's connected to there, but that's that. Okay, let's try it again. I'm fine. Okay, and now we lost both. What the heck? Okay, it's fine. Our health's going down as well. We'll go ahead and keep doing it, and we're missing that. Oh no, we don't have a chest. We're turning invisible at this point. Missing a lot of body parts here. And I guess I'll just keep typing it until I lose my body. But as you can see, oh wait, we're gonna die. We have like no health. Okay, whatever. Last time, and we died. Rest in peace. Well, that's what happens because you're fine. All right, don't lie. All right, just if you're not fine, just say it. All right. Okay, next idea. Whenever someone says "let's go," they turn into the baby convertible. Okay, I know that's kind of weird, but we'll make it real quick. All right. So as you can see, you're having a nice day, and let's say you just have the baby moment. Okay, you go ahead and type in the chat. You say "let's go." Yo, wait, the car's not moving. Why doesn't it move? Okay, I need to turn this down. It's so loud. Well, anyways, that's the baby moment right there, guys. Congratulations. Oh God, I just turned the engine on and it made that noise. Anyways, let's go. It drifts, guys. It drifts. Let's go. Okay, that was horrible. No, next. All right, next. Idea. Whenever you say this game is colorful, the game goes black and white. Alright, that's actually pretty funny. I want to try that. Alright, so let's say you're walking around in your city, the usual, and you decide to type in the chat. You're like, wow, this city is very colorful, even though it's kind of bland, honestly. But it's nice. So you type in the chat. You're like, wow, this game is very colorful. And as you can see, yo, everything goes black and white. It's actually kind of sick. But anyways, there you go, guys. That's the challenge. Black and white. Dude, honestly, why does it look so cool? Low key. Like, I don't know. I like it. Let me try it again. I think it'll make it random. Yeah, look. If I keep spamming the buttons, it'll, change it. Dude, this is actually pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really cool. Alright, anyways, next idea. Alright, next. Can you do whenever a player dies, he gets banned forever? Okay. If you add this to your game, you are an idiot, okay? Please do never put this in your game, because obviously you want players. But in case you ever did, for whatever reason, alright, we'll go ahead and make it real quick. Alright, let's say you're going, you're just playing your game, having a normal day, alright? You can't enter the elevator, you're just triggered, alright? And the game is all black and white, so you're just mad, okay? So you're like, you know what? I don't want to play this game anymore. And you jump off the map. All right. As you can see, what happens is, wait for it. You were kicked from the experience. You have been banned forever. Goodbye. And then you literally have to press leave, and then the game's over. So, yeah, great idea, dude. Thank you for that idea, and that's how you do it. All right, next idea. Every time you touch an NPC, they explode. That's a pretty cool idea. I'll go ahead and make it real quick. All right, so as you can see, you have an exploding touch, all right? All right, so essentially in this idea, you have an exploding touch, okay? So if you touch any one of these dummies, you are going to explode and die. So let's go and see what happens. Oh, okay, and wait, I got banned. No, I forgot about that. Well, that's what happens. Okay, I'll go ahead and put myself on God mode for a second. That way we can actually touch these more. All right, but as you can see, you go ahead and touch one of these, and okay, we still die. Never mind. All right, anyways, though, you guys can tell whenever you touch a dummy, you explode. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Be sure to smash the like button if you did, and subscribe if you're new. Like I said, 80% of you guys want to subscribe to my videos, which is insane, so subscribe right now. You're missing out on so many good videos. Also, use code TAP whenever you buy Robux or Premium, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.